Hello guys, welcome back to the Brute Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about a token which is a very interesting token because it is one of the two tokens of the Theta ecosystem, and this token is called T-Fuel or the Theta Fuel token, right? Again, as always guys, I highly recommend you guys to go do your own research on any of the projects that we cover in our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to their website thetatoken.org in order to learn more about this project, right? Again, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to cover information presented below the coin market caps page, but I highly recommend you guys to do your in-depth analysis before you put your money on this token, right? So what is Theta Fuel or T-Fuel? Theta Fuel is one of the two native tokens on the Theta blockchain. T-Fuel should not be mistaken for Theta token, which is the governance token of the Theta blockchain, supported by thousands of community-run Guardian nodes and its enterprise validators including Google, Binance, Blockchain Ventures, Gumi and Samsung. So again, when people talk about the Theta project or Theta platform, they only talk about the Theta token. They don't necessarily always talk about T-Fuel or Theta Fuel, right? So T-Fuel should not be confused with Theta. So T-Fuel is one of the two tokens in the Theta blockchain, and it is not a governance token. So Theta Fuel is not a governance fuel, whereas Theta is the governance token, right? So Theta token is a governance token, but T-Fuel or Theta Fuel is not a governance token. And like the project itself has multiple Guardian nodes and enterprise validators, which include some big names like Google, Binance, Blockchain Ventures, Gumi and Samsung. So T-Fuel is a token that's used, as the name suggests, as a fuel for the Theta blockchain, right? So T-Fuel is the second token on the Theta blockchain that serves as the utility token in decentralized video and data delivery. It also acts as a gas token. This means that it is used to power all operations on the Theta blockchain, like payments to relayers for sharing a video stream, for deploying and interacting with smart contracts, and as fees associated with transacting NFTs and DeFi applications. So again, if you are not really following up with the Theta blockchain's updates, or if you are not really familiar with what Theta token is and T-Fuel is and what these tokens do to the ecosystem, Theta platform or thetatoken.org, which is the platform of the Theta blockchain, has its own kind of DeFi applications that it's planning to roll out soon. And the important token in that regard is the T-Fuel token, right? Because this is basically the token that will serve as the utility token for this decentralized blockchain, and it's already being used as a utility token in decentralized video streaming as well as data delivery. And it will also act as a gas token, which means if you're interacting with the Theta blockchain and you have to make some interactions with some dApps that's built on the Theta blockchain, then you would need T-Fuel as the gas, just like how Ethereum is the gas for the Ethereum network and Binance coin is the gas for the Binance Smart Chain network, right? So this means that it is used to power all operations. So again, T-Fuel is mainly used to power all operations within the Theta blockchain, and it's like payments to relayers for sharing a video stream. So if you are sharing a video stream and if you are a relayer, then you are basically rewarded with T-Fuel, right? We're only talking about T-Fuel here, not Theta. So we've already covered about Theta in another video. So if you want to know more about Theta and what my price prediction is, then you can check out that video. But T-Fuel acts like a payment option for paying the relayers who want to stream videos in a decentralized manner in the Theta blockchain, right? So it's kind of like a reward token, and it's also used for deploying and interacting with smart contracts. So if you want to deploy smart contract based dApps on Theta blockchain, then you need to use T-Fuel, just like Ethereum, right? And you also want to have T-Fuel if you're interacting with different smart contract based dApps on the Theta blockchain, right? And any fees associated with transacting NFTs and DeFi applications will also be paid by the T-Fuel token. So again, the T-Fuel token has way more use cases compared to the Theta token itself, right? Because Theta token only serves as a governance token. So in addition, it is also used to incentivize users in the ecosystem who share the redundant computing power as edge compute nodes, as well as bandwidth resources as edge caching nodes for video streams and other data. So Theta Fuel or T-Fuel is basically used also, apart from all of these utilities, as a kind of like incentive token, where people who provide the edge compute nodes, they get rewarded with T-Fuel, and for people who also provide edge caching nodes, they are also rewarded with T-Fuel. So again, every interaction within the Theta blockchain requires you to pay gas fees in T-Fuel tokens. If you want to deploy smart contracts, then you have to T-Fuel. If you are to basically interact with NFTs, transferring NFTs, blah blah blah, interacting with different DeFi dApps within the Theta blockchain, you would definitely need to have T-Fuel token, right? Apart from that, you're also getting rewarded with T-Fuel tokens whenever you are basically like running a node or edge caching nodes, for example, and these will earn you some T-Fuel tokens, right? So that's basically the overview of T-Fuel. So now let's talk about the founders of Theta Fuel. Again, since Theta and T-Fuel are basically the tokens of the blockchain project Theta, they are basically created by the same founder. So I'll just quickly go through this one. Theta Fuel and in extension the entire Theta ecosystem was co-founded by Mitch Liu and Jie Long. Again, I'm sorry if I butchered your name. In 2017. So again, these tokens, which is basically Theta token as well as Theta Fuel token, which is T-Fuel token, were basically created in 2017 by these two co-founders. And if you see, Liu has a long history in the gaming, video, and virtual reality industries, co-founding video advertising firm Tapjoy, mobile social gaming platform GameView Studio, and Theta TV, the live streaming platform whose dApp was the first to be built on the Theta protocol. So again, Liu is basically known for how this person has contributed in gaming, videos, as well as virtual reality industry. So because of their experience in those industries, and they basically designed Theta.tv, which is also one of the most popular video streaming decentralized services in the crypto space right now. So Jie Long is Theta's second co-founder and CTO, following similar multi-year experience in design, automation, gaming, VR, and large-scale distributed systems. He authored multiple peer-reviewed academic papers and holds various patents in video streaming, blockchain, and virtual reality. So again, here in this paragraph, they're talking about Jie Long, which is one of the co-founders of the Theta.org kind of like platform, and as you can see, they both are learned people with a lot of experience in blockchain technology, video streaming, virtual reality, and so on and so forth, right? Theta now has a modest team, and its official website lists strategic corporate investors as Samsung, Next, Sony Innovation Fund, media investors BDMI, Bertelsmann Digital Media Investments, CAA Creative Artists and Agency, and traditional Silicon Valley venture capitals including DCM, Sierra Ventures, and the VR Fund. So again, this platform is the Theta blockchain itself is one of the most heavily funded platforms, because the two co-founders have basically managed to pitch the information the idea of a decentralized video streaming service to several big companies, and they are all including big venture capitals who are investing in this platform as well as the T-Fuel token, right? So what makes Theta Fuel unique? So what makes T-Fuel unique, and why would you have to own T-Fuel when you can instead buy Theta, right? So this paragraph will tell you what it is. So Theta's main use case is decentralizing video streaming, data delivery and edge computing, making it more cost efficient, cost effective and fair for industry participants. The network runs on a native blockchain with two native tokens known as Theta and Theta Fuel or T-Fuel, powering the internal economy. So again, T-Fuel is one of the most important tokens of the Theta platform, of the Theta ecosystem, and it's one of the fuels. It's basically used as a fuel for several DeFi and non-DeFi activities in the Theta blockchain. So that's one of the reasons why T-Fuel is very important, and you guys definitely need to pay attention to this, right? So Theta's appeal is threefold. Viewers get rewarded with better quality streaming service, content creators improve their earnings and middlemen, video platforms save money on building infrastructure and increase advertising, subscription revenues, users have an incentive to both watch network content and share network resources, as rewards come in the form of T-Fuel tokens. Again, if you take the platform itself, now they're talking about the platform itself. If you see, there is basically threefold advantage in investing in Theta, right? Why is that? Because if you see, they're stating that viewers get rewarded with better quality streaming services. So if you see, centralized streaming services are not very efficient, and if you see the monetization risk or demonetization risk, that I should say, on platforms, that centralized platforms are making it much more difficult for creators to kind of like make any money or showcase their talents, right? And also, you don't really get a lot of increased advertising, which can also be offset by using the Theta blockchain, and it's fully decentralized, fully sufficiently used by numerous people in the world. So people are slowly starting to realize the true power of Theta, and once people start slowly migrating from centralized video streaming services to decentralized video streaming services, then Theta's true potential can be realized, right? And you can also see that they're stating that they're providing Theta token, Theta Fuel, as an incentive for people who watch the videos or contents, and for people who upload the videos or contents. Again, you kind of earn a little bit of T-Fuel tokens regardless of whether you are a creator of the content or whether you're the viewer of the content. But the amount of Theta Fuel tokens or T-Fuel tokens that you will be earning may be limited, but it's still plausible to earn a decent chunk of T-Fuel tokens by just watching videos or by running nodes in the Theta blockchain, right? The platform is open source and token holders receive governance powers as with many proof of stake based blockchain ecosystems. In addition to video, data and computing, Theta caters to developers looking to launch decentralized apps or dApps such as DeFi and NFTs on its fully featured EVM compatible smart contract platforms. Again, T-Fuel, in this paragraph, we're basically talking about how the Theta ecosystem itself has a lot of benefits. But if you see, you only get governance benefits if you hold Theta token and not the T-Fuel token, right? So that's something that you guys need to bear in mind. If you hold Theta, you pretty much have literally not a lot of things that you can do with it. You can just participate in the network governance and that's it. But if you have T-Fuel token, then you basically have an asset that can be kind of like used to interact within the platform itself, and it acts to bridge the gap between the current DeFi blockchains, which are slow and clogged, to very fast blockchains such as the Theta blockchain, right? So that's very interesting. So these are some of the main value propositions for T-Fuel overall. Although many of these information weren't directly mentioning anything about the T-Fuel use cases itself, because they're mainly focused on the Theta blockchain itself and the Theta platform itself. I believe that T-Fuel has a very important role to play as the ecosystem, the Theta's ecosystem starts rolling up, right? So now asking about security, is Theta network secure? Again, this is basically about the network itself, but if the network is not secure, then both these tokens won't be secure, right? So let's see whether the Theta network itself is secured. So the Theta blockchain relies on a proof of stake consensus algorithm. It, however, adds a multi-level Byzantine fault tolerance or BFT consensus mechanism on its blockchain to achieve better security along with higher transaction throughput. So again, if you want to kind of like use the Theta blockchain obviously works with the proof of stake consensus mechanism. It works on adding a multi-level Byzantine fault tolerant kind of like consensus mechanism on its blockchain in order to basically overall achieve good security along with extremely high transaction throughput, right, which is very important for the current day and age. At the time of Theta mainnet launch in March 2019, Theta introduced Guardian nodes. With the Guardian node, no single entity controls the majority of Theta tokens being staked at any one time. This further helps the network achieve high transaction throughput of 1000 plus TPS, right? Which again, TPS stands for transactions per second. So overall, I think since their founding days in March 2019, it seems like the Theta mainnet has been constantly introducing different features, including Guardian nodes with no single entity able to control a majority of the tokens. So that's very important, right? And also this further helps the network achieve the high transaction throughputs of 1000 plus TPS. So again, like when you're giving something, you get something, right? So in order to give up on potential like centralization, slightly more centralization or any other activities, you can basically expect Theta to have high transaction throughputs due to their own kind of like tokenomics and mechanisms, right? Theta uses a financial incentive scheme to ensure user participation in governance activities, and hence its network is secured by its own users. Again, people who use the Theta blockchain, they basically have the benefit of kind of like participating in the governance activities if you hold the Theta token itself. But since we're not covering about Theta, let's not talk about that in detail. But overall, if you see Theta Fuel and the Theta token itself, they both offer some improved securities and high level securities which are extremely hard to come by these days, and these securities are going to ensure that new users feel comfortable and old users are retained, right? So that's basically it. So overall, I think that's pretty much it for the verdict. Now let's go to the thetatoken.org website, which is going to be the page where you can find all the relevant information. Theta mainnet 3.0 is kind of live right now, and you can also see that they have some big information about the project itself. You can also see some of the videos and about partners they have. Again, here's information about the founders themselves, right? So again, you can clearly see that the network is kind of growing, and Theta token is definitely kind of like being more and more popular, especially the T-Fuel token itself. But if you want to learn more about the T-Fuel tokens itself, then you can also go to their website, right? So let's quickly go to the CoinMarketCap page for T-Fuel. The token is currently ranked 54th by market cap on CoinMarketCap with a current trading price of 28 cents per token, with a recent slight increase in price of 2.06% increase, right? So that's also not a lot of increase. The market is kind of rebounding, which is a good thing. But for people who didn't accumulate, there will be more dip buying opportunities, right? And when you are planning to invest in T-Fuel tokens, again, not financial advice, but you do your own research, right? But if you do plan to invest in this project or platform, then bear in mind that this is a very high quality project with its own kind of like way of acting, and it is supported by some of the biggest industrial names such as Samsung and so on and so forth, which are really huge behemoths who can definitely continue to fund or help Theta token. It's the thetatoken.org website itself, right? As well as the blockchain itself. So again, if you see, the market cap for this token is currently $1.4 billion in market cap. Again, if you take T-Fuel, it's it's actually the gas of the blockchain. So you need T-Fuel to interact with any cool dApp on Theta, even though the fees itself is extremely low and the platform itself is way more scalable than some of the legacy blockchains. You still need to understand that T-Fuel is acting as the real fuel of the Theta blockchain, which means as more and more people start using the Theta blockchain for DeFi applications, people will find out that T-Fuel is in scarcity because so many people are using T-Fuel, which will drive the price of this token significantly upwards, right? If you take the max supply for this token, you can easily see that the circulating supply is about 5.30 billion T-Fuel tokens, but the total supply is 5.301 billion tokens. Again, you can clearly see that there's only a slight discrepancy, but overall there is no real cap on the max supply, but there's no real actual cap, like proper cap max supply. But if you see, the total supply is about 5.3 billion tokens, but the circulating supply is only 5.30 billion tokens, which is basically pretty much similar, but with a slight difference, right? Overall, you can see majority of the T-Fuel tokens are in circulation, which is a really good thing because there's no real malicious whale who's trying to dump this token on the market and kind of stall the price, right? So that's a good thing to see. And if you go to the charts, again, you'll be amazed by how parabolic this token went, especially considering the fact that it was pretty much worthless back in March 2019, when the token price was worth 1 cent per token. It's been around in this price point for quite some time, except during the early February, late February kind of like season, where the token price went from 9 cents all the way to an all-time highs of about close to 60 cents. So it's about at least like a 4 to 6x from where it was. And if you see, now it's kind of like crashing back down, and I do believe that this token can go even lower, although it is a really good quality project, right? So I would probably suggest people to hold off on their buys for this token, because once this token starts going below the 25 cent mark for this particular token, I think this token will probably be moved. This token will probably be like going downwards, and that will present a good buy opportunity for people, right? So again, if you see the buy opportunity for this token is going down. It will continue to go down, so it will probably retest the 25 cent range, which is probably when you can start dollar cost averaging in, right? If you take the Bitcoin compared, on the other hand, you can clearly see that the token price has kind of been overlapped with the Bitcoin comparative. The token was initially worth I believe 3,600 satoshis per token in March of 2019, but till then it's kind of not really made some really good kind of progress in the Bitcoin comparative. Although it's made occasional increases and decreases in prices, it seems to be a very isolated event that suggests that probably market manipulation is going on. But regardless of that, you can clearly see that the Satoshi value for each and every token has risen from like a few kind of like cents, from a few thousand Satoshis to like close to 16,000 Satoshis per token. Again, this is basically how the T-Fuel token kind of like shot up during the Bitcoin bull run this year, and now it's kind of in the alley where this token can kind of potentially go below the $6,000 mark. But if you guys feel like you want to buy this token at this point, if you're hodling for long term, then I think you should be fine. But for people who want to trade this token, first of all, trading is risky, but second of all, when the token price goes down, then is the best point to buy, right? But the thing about this, the fact of the matter is, T-Fuel is going to be used as the Ethereum, or as the gas fees for paying gas in the Theta kind of like, or blockchain. So considering that fact, I think this token can literally pump exponentially, right? So that's my personal goal and my personal kind of thought on this project. But if you look at the markets, you can clearly see that this token has infinite number of token pairs because it's so very well listed on very good quality exchanges. Let's say Binance is one of the main kind of platform that offers USDT BTC trading pairs for T-Fuel. You can also get this token from crypto.com exchange itself and several other tier kind of 3 and tier 2 kind of exchanges. It's not really available on Coinbase yet, which makes me feel like probably Theta would be the next option for listing on Coinbase, right? And with the potential Coinbase listing down the line in the future, I think this token can easily cross a very decent chunk of price, and that will kind of make its investors extremely happy. So what's my final verdict on this token, guys? I think this token is kind of underrated because of the fact that the token has already seen the charts and has basically seen that the token has already seen the charts and has basically kind of going down. Its all-time highs was close to 60 to 61 cents, but you can clearly see that now it's only worth 27 cents, which means the upside potential is extremely high, right? That doesn't mean that there won't be volatility. There will be extreme volatility, but overall the kind of the trend is upwards, right? And also, if you ask me, I would probably say that T-Fuel in a way is slightly way more valuable than the Theta token itself, because Theta token is kind of acting as the governance token, but these kind of projects such as T-Fuel don't really get that much recognition, and I believe that this token can skyrocket. And my short-term price prediction is that I think this token can easily cross the 35 to 40 cent range, but I think once you guys will see that the long-term potential for T-Fuel is only going to increase, right? And this token can easily cross $1 or $1.50 per token, which will probably be somewhere between 2 to 5 years, 2 to 5 years in a long-term vision. But the short-term price point is definitely going to be 35 to 40 cents range for the upcoming weeks. And if you see the all-time highs, I feel like this token can easily cross $1,000, $1 per token easily. But that's probably going to be a little bit of a longer term goal, right? Overall, I think this project is extremely strong, and it's a project that has a very strong backing. Google is backing it, and several other famous names are backing it as well. So they won't really allow this project or this token to go bust, which means this token is going to be here forever and ever and ever. And I think once the DeFi ecosystem and NFT ecosystem goes live, you'll be able to better experience this token as well as this platform itself with way more details, right? Again, remember guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.